In this video, we are going to learn how to work with Apple loops. Apple loops are audio files that are going to synchronize automatically with your tempo, and they are also very easy to transpose. That means to change the pitch so it will fit the key of your song. To work with Apple loops, we have to access the Apple Loop browser. To do that, we click on the Media button here, and now we select the Loops tab. Logic comes with an enormous Apple Loop library, and you will be able to see all of the Logic Apple Loops packages right here. In this case, I'm going to stick to Show All. And now I want to locate a hip-hop drum groove. To do that, I'm going to use all these search criteria here. So probably I'm going to click now on All Drums. And now I'm going to enter here on my search field, hip-hop. Hit enter. And here I can see all of the hip-hop drums or beats that I have currently in my library. To preview them, just click on them. I'm going to stick with this one. To bring it into my Arrange window, just click and drag to an audio track. Import tempo information? No. I don't want to follow this beat's tempo. I want to be in control of the tempo of my project, so I'm going to select no. Here's my audio file. I'm going to loop it, and let's play it back. A regular audio clip, you can apply all of the audio editing functions such as cut, loop, paste, fade in and fade out. So you can actually modify this clip in whatever way you want. Now let's see what happens if I change the tempo of my session here. By default set to 120. I'm going to bring the tempo down to 90. And let's listen back. As you can see, it slowed down, synchronizing to my tempo, which is extremely useful when you are experimenting with different speeds. Now I'm going to look for a bass line. I can browse and preview Apple loops as I'm already playing whatever I have in my arranged track. So first, let's locate a few bass lines. In my search criteria, I'm going to deselect the All Drums. Click on bass. And enter again hip hop. So it's going to give me a search result of the hip hop bass Apple loops. Now I'm going to play and preview on the fly. That one is pretty good, actually. I don't like that. That is the winner. Hip hop double up bass. Nice. Click and drag. Loop if necessary. Let's listen back. Pretty easy, right? Now, can you see that we have some Apple loops that are blue, they have a blue icon, and some other Apple loops have a green icon. The blue icon means that the Apple loop is audio only. The green icon means that you can drag that Apple loop to either an audio or MIDI track. Let's look for something else, such as keyboards maybe. So start our search again. Electric piano. And let's hear this one with the green icon. Not bad. Not bad at all. So now, since it's a green Apple loop, I can have it as audio or MIDI. Notice that I'm dragging this to an instrument track now. Let's get rid of the audio one for now. So everything synchronizes automatically. Of course, to this MIDI clip, you can view it on your piano roll view and alter the notes, the velocity, mute, delete, or trim notes as you wish. MIDI data will allow you to manipulate the material much more clearly and with much more control than audio, that's for sure. But it's good that you can take advantage of having some loops as both audio and MIDI. Now let's focus on some of the Apple Loops parameters. I'm going to solo this clip, hitting the key S on my keyboard. And here in the parameters box of my current selection, we have the following. Loop, of course, it's going to turn the looping on and off. Transposition is going to allow you to transpose the pitch of any given loop. Let's listen. That's the loop with a transposition of 0 keys. I'm going to use now a transposition of 7 keys up. And now 7 keys down. So you can repitch Apple loops even if they're audio very easily, pretty much as if they were MIDI clips. Let's turn this back to 0 and do the same to the bass clip. Let's try a transposition of 1 octave, 12 keys up. Okay, so that's how you transpose Apple loops.